Today we have a 2014 Toyota Camry. We'll be replacing the spark plugs, cabin filter, and air filter. So in order to replace the spark plugs, first thing you're going to do is pull up this top cover here. And then with the number 10 socket, you're going to remove these bolts here to pull out the coil packs. You can also unplug it if you like, just by pushing this tab down, pulling out. I'm just going to leave it plugged in, just push it to the side. So I ended up having to unplug it due to the fact that it doesn't give you proper clearance to remove the spark plug or the coil pack. So now with the 5/8 socket, I'm going to go ahead and remove the spark plug. Now that we've removed all of our spark plugs here, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and install our new ones. If you're not using iridium spark plugs, you'll have to gap it to, I believe it's 1.1 millimeter. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and set these in and torque it down to 15 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and do this. Now that we've installed the new spark plugs and torqued down to 15 foot-pounds, we're just going to go ahead and start putting our coils back in. Just basically slide it in, plug her up to all four, and then just put the 10 millimeter bolts back in, and we'll be done with that. So in order to change the cabin filter, you're going to want to open the glove box. And in the back, you will see a little panel that you need to take off. Like so. And then you'll see another one in there as well. Just put this to the side. And just open it up. Tab on the side. And then on this side as well, same tab, both sides as you can see. Then we'll just pull out the air filter, or the cabin filter, sorry. Keep in mind the direction of the arrows. Pull it out. Get our new one. There you are. Just make sure it goes all the way in. And then we'll just cover her up and we're done. Now in order to remove the old air filter, you're going to have to pull these tabs back. One here and one on that side. This car is missing the one here. But just open this up and then slide it out. Just put your hand in there once you pick it up and just slide the air filter out. Also, instead of sliding the air filter out, you can also pick it up and kind of use your thumb to push on this end where the latches are, or where it kind of fits into the plastic. So kind of lift it up like so, and you can get the air filter out just like that as well. Alright, also we have our new air filter here. Keep in mind the orientation. As you can see, these are curved edges along three corners, but this one here is pointed. That is due to the fact of the air filter housing. The one back here on the left, close to the throttle body, is going to be the corner like this. So all we gotta do is just slide it in like so. Sorry, just trying to do it with one hand here. So just, I guess if you had two hands, pick up, you know, the actual housing. Just go ahead and slide it in. This obviously is gonna be a little different from mine because theirs is all damaged and everything, but same concept. So now that we have it in place, just go ahead and close it up. Be sure to hook this onto the latch here and then just snap it in place. All right, so now we've pretty much finished the air filter, replaced the air filter, replaced the cabin filter inside, as well as the spark plugs. So we're all done now. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.